What to do if refrigerant gas R-454B is unavailable? R-454B is a widely used refrigerant in air conditioning systems and heat pumps. Although R-454B officially has no direct replacement, if it is unavailable, several alternatives exist. However, it is important to mention that any refrigerant change could result in reduced cooling capacity and system efficiency. One option is R-32. 1. Since R-454B is composed of 68.9% R-32 and 31.1% R-1234YF, using R-32 as a substitute allows the system to maintain a similar operating point to the original refrigerant. 2. However, using R-32 leads to a significant increase in discharge temperature, a factor to consider, especially in hot climates, as it may affect compressor lubrication and performance. 3. On the positive side, using R-32 does not require an oil change, and in most cases, the capillary tube also doesn't need to be replaced. 4. The working pressure of R-32 is displayed on the screen. The recharge can be done in liquid or vapor phase. B. Another alternative to R-454B is R-410A, the refrigerant that R-454B was originally designed to replace. 1. R-410A is widely compatible and easy to obtain. 2. Additionally, R-410A has a lower discharge temperature, which helps extend the compressor's lifespan. 3. No oil change is required, and the capillary tube likely won't need replacement either. 4. The working pressure of R-410A is displayed on the screen. The recharge must be done in the liquid phase. C. Lastly, R-452B is a blend with properties similar to R-454B, making it easier to integrate into systems designed for R-454B. 1. It also offers a lower discharge temperature than R-454B, which benefits compressor durability. 2. No oil change is required, and in most cases, the capillary tube doesn't need replacement. 3. The working pressure of R-452B is displayed on the screen. The recharge must be done in the liquid phase. Finally, in any case, when using a refrigerant as a substitute for R-454B, the recharge should not be done by weight, as each gas has a different specific weight. Instead, pressure should be used as a reference, and an ammeter clamp should be used to verify that the system's current consumption does not exceed the air conditioner's nominal current consumption.